Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collaboration with Ayla, Avar, and Dory's Dollies. And I had this idea for Chanel Onyx that we should dress them like, oh, look at that booty sticking out, that slid. Oh, it does close, it does. Okay. It closes more, but you get the idea. To dress Chanel Onyx as a spider or something spider or to have spiders. So I took this tie heart spider and I cut it up the back, and I'm going to have to close this because I'm going to be showing you more. Oh, look at that. It came open again. What the heck here? What the heck?
About to come out of stand
There
now, too.
you go. Yeah, here we go. I'll get it right in a minute, guys. I promise. And made a little dress out of it. And have you ever had, leave this in my comment, if you ever had a spider on your neck? Okay, here's what I'm thinking. I haven't done this in a long time. I haven't shown it in a long time. I'm going to do a circle dress for my spider. And I'm going to put... I cut this out of, this is stretchy fabric. It is t-shirt type. So I do not need to put an edge on it. But if you used another fabric, you would use fray check around the edges. Then I'm going to add this all the way around, starting behind the neck, carrying it around. And then when that goes on her, these usually look quite cute and a little sexy. And for this size doll, I used my Yorkshire Terrier's bowl that we only put a couple teaspoons of food in at lunchtime. And then here's what I'm attempting. And I'm just going to show and tell you this. I'm going to make her some fishnet stockings. And I'm using human that I bought a couple years ago after Halloween. Go to your local Walmarts the day after Halloween, buy your candy, half price. Who cares if your Christmas candy has Halloween pumpkins on it? And look for this sort of stuff. This sort of stuff is usually marked 50 to 75% off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of this. All right, there's 2 seams, and that is around your butt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the part between that. And what I'm doing, I'm going to turn this inside out, cut a piece off, turn it inside out, and then when I lay my sew around fabric, sew around pattern down on this. I made this pattern for my Blythe doll. It'll be fine on here. I'll probably cut this area here a little wider. I made this to sew around. I pinned this down and I sew just to the outside of the pattern. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this inside out. I will stretch this. I'll line up these seams, and then I'll set this over it, pushing it a little bit because it can be stretched. It's going to stretch out anyway. Pin that down with, because this is fishnet, a regular straight pin will not work. I'll be using safety pins to pin my pattern down. Sew around that, turn it back inside out, and see how it looks on her. So I brought Chanel Onyx up into the doll nook with the other Shadow High girls. I have a few. I have a few more than this. I really, really like this, the white to black dolls, how they did them, the black and white. What do you call that?
Monochromatic.
Anyway, this is what I made her. This is her second outfit. This is a glow-in-the-dark fabric. I really like it. It's a silly little spider outfit. I wanted the red to pop. I love how the fishnets came out, but I needed more length around the foot, because when I got that over the toes and pushed the shoes on, well, I tried 3 or 4 times, but I thought, leave it alone before I put something through that. No, you didn't see that hair. I like the red pop on this doll. This is what she originally wears. I thought about a red bow, and I thought, no, that's too much. And I thought about a red belt, and I thought, no, that's too much. These are my 2 outfits that I made for my Shadow High Spider. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please be sure and go by Dory and Ayla's channels today and watch their videos. Thank you, Dory and Ayla, for doing this collab with me. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to all 3 of us.